See, we feel, like I said before, also in PC, that when you have a good camaraderie of the field, I think it eventually shows on the field, and that is exactly what happened. What's happening, because when two people trust each other, it's easier to do the same thing. The communication is better on the ground, and hopefully we can do the same thing with the whole team going forward and just make it a one big unit. So definitely यही टाइम होता है जब आपको मौका मिलता है स्टेप अप करने का, लेवल अप करने का. ये अपॉर्चुनिटी होता है, rather देन यू सी इट एज अ सेटबैक कि हमारे मेन बॉलर नहीं है, बुमराह वॉज नॉट प्लेइंग बिकॉज ऑफ वर्कलोड मैनेजमेंट, बट स्टिल आकाशदीप स्टूड अप, सिराज स्टूड अप, एंड दैट इज़ वेरी नाइस टू सी कि ऐसे टाइम पे यही लेवल अप करके दिखाते हैं जब बॉलर, तो इवेंचुअली द टीम बिकम्स बेटर एंड बेटर. तो मेनली यही है. मेरे को तो आईपीएल के टाइम पे पता था कि ये हो रहा है, तो बट कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं कि उनको पर्सनल रखे तो हमेशा बेटर रहता है. तो डेफिनेटली कॉन्वर्जेशन हुए हैं, बट द मोर यू कीप इट पर्सनल, इट्स बेटर दैट वे. सी, डेफिनेटली इट्स अ शॉर्ट टर्न अराउंड, बट like you said, when you have a momentum in your side, you want that short turnaround. So we are not thinking about that too much. Yes, it's good for us to have a momentum, but still, eventually you gotta play the good cricket, and which team will play better will win eventually. See, as a team, generally what we plan is whatever the condition is given to us. See, we don't want to think about what the opposition is thinking. Are they changing their plan or not? Whatever they're doing, we'll do our best and do better from there. Simple. I think option is still open. I think discussion are still going on, but 3-1 होगा या 3-2 होगा, we'll get to know by tomorrow only. So discussions are going on, because what's happening when you see the wicket in 2 days, it's sometimes it changes the color, the moisture become less also. So we have to see eventually take a call how the wicket is going to play. So see, यही बात हुई थी डिस्कशन की, विकेट अच्छे होंगे इंग्लैंड टूर पे, बिकॉज जैसे वो क्रिकेट खेलते हैं अपना, वो थोड़ा अच्छा विकेट ही चाहिए बैटिंग के लिए इवेंचुअली. तो हमारा यही था कि हम अच्छे विकेट में 20 विकेट कैसे निकाल सकते हैं. शुभमन भी बोल रहा था 20 विकेट के बारे में, वो इसलिए वो थॉट ऑलरेडी प्लान था कि इवेंचुअली बैटर्स हैव टू स्टेप अप, बिकॉज दो हमारे सीनियर बहुत बड़े प्लेयर नहीं हैं, बट हाउ लाइक आई सेड कि यही अपॉर्चुनिटी होती है स्टेप अप करने की, एंड पीपल आर डूइंग दैट स्लोली इवेंचुअली वी माइट डू बेटर एज अ टीम.
You kept a lot of Jasprit Bumrah. What makes him so special?
I think everything. I think how accurate he is, the way his mind works, I think he's just amazing, man.
And is that like movement he gets that particularly difficult for him?
I think it's more difficult for the wicketkeeper behind the wicket than for a batsman, I guess, especially in England. I feel गेज सेम होना चाहिए, but थोड़ा छोटा हो तो बेटर हो जाएगा. See, definitely I feel it's a big problem because the ball is getting out of shape, but at the same time it's not up to us, because visually when you see the ball you can see it's D-shaped, but the rules are like such, unless someone changes it, it's not up to the players. See, personally, whenever I step on the field, I always enjoy my cricket and try to give my 200%. Not particularly about any individual, just being on the field. Yes, it's gonna be good contest always, because he's also coming back after a long break. Let's see how it goes. Yes, I'm happy he's back. I think personally, I don't know as of now how personally he has influenced Shubman, but whenever you talk to Baz, he gives you that freedom always. The conversation he does is always positive, and as a coach you want someone to have positive conversation and gives you good feedback. नहीं, generally idea ये रहता है कि keep talking to yourself as a batsman, because नहीं हमेशा से ही बड़ा होता है, बट क्या है, स्टम्प माइक में ज़्यादा सुनाई देता है तो आप लोगों को पता थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाता है कि कम्युनिकेशन नहीं होता है ना बीच में. बट अपने लिए एज अ बैट्समैन आई थिंक मैं सेम चीज़ कर रहा हूँ जो मैं एज अ किड करता था. कीप टेलिंग माई सेल्फ, बिकॉज माई कोच यूज्ड टू टेल मी कि कीप टॉकिंग टू यू. जो मेरे लेट श्री तारक सिन्हा सर थे, जो उन्होंने चीज़ें सिखाई हैं, आई स्टिल ट्राई टू डू द सेम थिंग ऑलवेज. I think the ring can be the same for both the balls, but like you said, I think in this series, what I've seen, the ball is getting D-shaped too much. That has never happened like this too much. It's definitely irritating for the players because every ball plays in different, because when it becomes softer, sometimes it's not doing too much, but as soon as they changes the ball, it started to do enough. So as a batsman, you gotta keep on adjusting to it, but at the same time, I feel it's not good for cricket eventually. See, for me personally, I try to have a very clear mindset when I'm batting. Just playing one ball at a time, that is something which has really helped me. But personally, when what other team is thinking, yes, I do have an idea what they want me to do, but eventually, you have to have that self-discipline, how you're gonna counter it. You have to make your own plans and just play the game.
Yes, that's a shot.
क्रिकेट की हर बड़ी खबर,
Lovely shot.
हर बड़े अपडेट और लाइव डिस्कशन के लिए जुड़िए मेरे साथ सिर्फ इंडिया टीवी क्रिकेट यूट्यूब चैनल पर।